Hey Gearheads, welcome back to BZB TV. This is Nate back here from the support team, bringing you another video here in the Foxton. Today we're going to be talking about one of our brand new products, the BG-UHM. This is our HDMI and USB switcher and mixer. We're excited to be talking about this one because it's not only if you have an HDMI source or a USB source, you can now switch between the two and make it seamless for like conference room setups, or if you have multiple sources like different types of cameras, HDMI cameras, USB cameras, or a laptop or another USB source. This allows you to switch between the two. So it's a great solution for many setups. Setup for this unit is really easy. It's PoE, so it's power over Ethernet, so you don't have to worry about the power supply. It has one HDMI input and two USB inputs, USB 3.0 and 2.0, and actually has two outputs. It has HDMI output to the display, and then USB 3.0 over USB-C 3.0 into the computer for like video conferencing or live streaming, whatever it may be, so you can take your sources. And it also, like I said, it is a mixer and a little multi-viewer, so you can actually see multiple, you can see both images on the screen, like picture in picture or whatever it may be. So today we're just going to be doing a little demonstration how easy it is to set up and all the fun features that it has. So let's dive in. First things first, let's go over our setup. As you can see, we have two of our cameras. We have our BG-Adamo 4K and then a BG-Adamo Junior. We're actually using the HDMI output on that and then the USB 3.0 output on that as well. So we're going to be able to switch. What's great about this unit, if you had the HDMI plugged into a monitor, it has a beautiful splash screen with an IP address. So if you have this plugged into your local network like we do, DHCP is enabled, so it actually pulls an IP, so it actually has a nice little web interface so you can control the switching and everything in the web interface as well. As you can see on the front of the unit, it actually has push buttons as well. So if you want to do some quicker switching, you can push the buttons on the front if you want to switch between sources or different layouts. Also on the back of the unit real quick is audio input and audio output. So if you're looking to embed the audio, you can do that, or if you're looking to extract the audio. So if you have audio from your sources, or if you're looking to embed an external source into maybe like a microphone or anything into your video conferencing, this allows you to do that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start plugging some things in. So I'm going to plug my HDMI in and my USB. And then, see, it's already coming up. That is one of our sources there. And right now I have it on like a little picture-in-picture. So I have the HDMI sources right here, and it's pointing at our little bee friend there, part of our brand new logo series, our new little mascot. So I'm going to go ahead and dive into the computer and kind of control it from there. So diving in, as I mentioned on the splash screen, it gave us an IP address, which was 192.168.10.66. That was local to our local network. That's actually the IP address it pulled. So I actually pulled up the login page already. And your user is already selected, and then password is just admin. There we go, and logging in. And the web interface is really straightforward. As you can see, network settings right here, DHCP enabled, the IP address, MAC address, all that fun stuff. Display settings. Here, if you want to see what's on the screen, if you can't see your monitor here, you could do it here. You just hit start, and then it shows you, mirrors exactly what's on the HDMI output. Here is where you can adjust your HDMI output resolution. I just do auto based on the monitor here. Layout. Here is where you do all your switching. So right now I just have one USB source and USB 2 and then HDMI and the other. So as you can see, I could do a single source, it's on the screen, or I could do side by side. And then you could do a little picture in picture, and then I could actually swap the layouts there, and it makes it very easy. Actually, and then like I mentioned, I'll actually show you in the, because it has USB-C 3.0 come in the computer as well. So I'm going to go actually open up the camera app in the camera application and show you the USB source as well. So if you're using it in a video conferencing, Zoom, Skype, well, Teams now, but as you can see, here we go. That's exactly mirroring exactly what's on the screen here. It's actually over our USB-C, and then I could just do some switching right here. You can see it switches almost seamlessly. And then if I just want to switch between sources, I just do this single image right here, and then I just select source you want. And there's a nice close-up of Mr. B. And there you go. That's how easy it is. And like I said, this is a great tool for conferencing and just if you're hosting meetings. And then just kind of a quick breakdown of the rest of the options here. Audio settings, if you want to like I said, audio embedding or extraction. You can do this all right here. You got your settings, microphone, volume control, all that. You got your main system settings, pretty straightforward here. If you need to start all over, factory set is your best friend. And then firmware updates for firmware, that is for firmware updates. And then about the device, and then there you go. That's how easy it is. So what I love about this unit is multiple ways to control. You get the web GUI, but if you don't have the ability to connect it to a local network, or you just want to do it as a just kind of a physical connection between the cameras and your computer and the unit, you just use the buttons on the front for switching. So makes it very, very simple. Very, very excited to be launching this brand new product. I know it's going to be a great fit for a lot of people in different environments. So as always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Love to hear from you. If you have any feedback or if you have any speed bumps you're trying to get over technically, hit us up at support. We'd love to help you get over those speed bumps. Or if you have any questions for our sales associates to see how this might be a good solution for your environment, reach out to them as well. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to videos like these so you'll be notified when more videos like these come out. And as always, have a great day.